Hello everyone and welcome. Whether you are using Windows 8, 10 or Windows 11, in today's video I'm going to show you how to amplify or make your Wi-Fi connection faster. If you have tried several ways to boost your Wi-Fi signal and it has not been successful, don't worry, I got you covered on this video. So without further delay, let's get started. First thing first, avoid or do not connect any other wireless devices within the same network in order not to interrupt the internet wireless connections. Our next method, you just have to go to control panel, click on this, click on the start button and search for control panel. Right, here is it. So click on it to open control panel. Once you open control panel, just if your control panel is not displayed this way, just go to viewed by and change it to category. Now under category, you just have to come to network and internet. Now click on network and sharing center. Right, so this is our network which we are being connected and we want to boost that. Right, so now go to change adapter settings. In here, just as we said, this is our Wi-Fi which we are connected to. So right click, so the network which you are connected to. So just right click on that device. So if you are using any other Wi-Fi devices, it will also be attached here. So just as I said, this is what I'm connected to. So right click on it and click on properties. Now on this, just go to configure. On here, now come to advanced. These are the advanced settings which we need to do some configurations within them. So what we are going to be doing is that, so on the first thing we are going to do, so click on this fat channel intolerant. As you can see, it is disabled. So what you just need to do is that you just have to enable it. So change it to enable. And now the next option, which is going to be roaming aggressiveness. So click on that. And in here, change it to the lowest or medium low. So what you are going to be doing is that you are going to be doing this testing. You can change it to medium low. And after doing all the settings and still your network is still slow, you just have to come and change it to the lowest. But before you change it to the lowest, use the medium low first, and after that, if it is not fast, then you now change it back to the lowest. Now our next one, which is going to be transmit power, so click on this. Now in here too, you can see that it's on highest. Change it to the same just as you did on the roaming aggressiveness. So change it to the medium low or the lowest. So just as I said, if you set it to the medium low and your network is still not fast, you now take it back to the lowest. Once you are done, just click on OK. And once you click on OK, it is going to disconnect the network automatically, so which you just have to reconnect again. Already, just right click on it and then connect once again. Right, you can see we have the network here, so click on it and then connect. Right, so you can see we are now connected again. The next option which we are going to be doing is that just right click on the adapter once again and go to properties. Now this time around, just go to this Internet Protocol version 4 TCP or IPv4. Click on that and then go to properties. Now here what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using our public DNS server addresses here. The public DNS servers which we have are Google and then Cloudflare. You can prefer to use the Cloudflare or the Google DNS servers. So click on this, just click on use the following DNS servers. The Google DNS code is 8888 and the alternate is 8844. But the Cloudflare is 1111 and the alternate is 1001. So we are going to be using the Google here. Just input here 8, come to the next 8, come to the next here, make it 8 and then 8. So the same thing, if it is the Cloudflare, you just change here 1111. Alternatively, depend on yours, so you can use the Google or the Cloudflare. I'm using the Google here, so the alternate address is 8844. Sorry, cancel this. So we have 8 here, the next is 8 and the next is 4 and 4. Right. So just as I said, if it is a Cloudflare, you put the 111 here and the alternate address is 1001001. Right. So once you are done with this, just click on OK and then close this and restart the PC. Once you are done with all these configurations, you just have to restart the PC. And once you restart your PC, definitely your Wi-Fi network that you are being connected to is going to be faster as compared to previously. So that is just how easy and simple it is to amplify or boost your internet connection using your Wi-Fi network configuration. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We see you on our next one. Peace out.